I just heard a cough. Did anyone hear that cough then? Where the hell did that come from? Right, hang on. Just heard a cough. That really freaked me. Did anyone hear that then? They did put the comments below. Thought I heard it come from behind this tree. Don't forget, if you see anything, hear anything, put it in the comments below. My actual heart's going 10 to a dozen here. It was like a like that, wasn't it? There's no one around me. What the hell? Right, I'll just go a little bit further. I'll move away. It's funny, sometimes you'll only hear stuff as it goes back. Do you know what I mean? When you go back on the EVP, you'll hear it then. Oh, this is where I walked down before, but I'm so sorry because I must be walking on... It's either walk on the graves there or walk on the graves here. See, that's nice, isn't it? Oh. Right, I'm going to put it on this one. Can't see anyone. Oh, God. Where am I? Right. Okay, spirits, I've moved to a different part of the cemetery. Sugar, it's too loud. Gotta be careful because there's houses. I don't want to disrespect anyone, you see. I'm sure it just said Becky then. I'm sure it just said Becky. I'm still recording, guys. Hang on. God, he's talking lots here. Hi, guys. Do you want to speak to me? Speak through this device. How many spirits are here with me? Yeah, it's saying numbers here. I can't work it out. Hang on. Well, it's a beautiful setting you're in anyways. Hi. Hello. What's your name? Hiya. What's your name, darling? I'll just walk around a little. See a bit. Ooh. Oh. I'm so sorry about this. Do you want to speak into this device as I'm walking about? Who's here with me? I know I sense it behind me. What's your name? Yeah, nothing's allowed to attach to me, any negative spirits. Don't want anything attached to me when I leave. I've got God on my side and St. Michael protecting me. Right. How old are you, spirit? How old are you, spirit? Do you know, I'm totally sensing something. Are you near that tree? Are you near the tree? Yes. How many spirits are there here with me? I'm sorry guys, I can't put it loud because of people. I'm just trying to be respectful. Go back to this tree again because I don't know what that was. I heard a cough. Right. The spirit who coughed, can you come forward? Becky, just heard Becky again. What do you want? Do you want a message to Becky? What do you want to say to Becky? Sorry, I can't. I've not got my speaker with me, so it's the best I can do, guys. Sorry. What do you want to say to Becky? I could try the echo. What do you want to say to Becky? Stop it. You want me to stop it, Spirit? Are you near this tree, Spirit? Oh God, the wind. A wind's just come right through me, guys. Okay, I'm going to stop you for a minute. Right. Okay. Thank you, spirits. Thank you for communicating. Got a real... Oof. Guys, I don't know what it is. It's since I heard that cough. It was sort of like that way. But obviously, I just seen someone. I just got this feeling, quite a strong feeling that someone's, or I don't know, quite a few are with me, I don't know. Okay, thank you, spirits. Thanks for communicating, but you're not allowed to attach to me. Okay, I'll point it that way a second. This is, how nice is that, eh? Oh, church on the bin. Church. Kind of blends in, doesn't it, the brown? But there's literally gravestones where you're walking. It's mad. Look at that huge one. Oh, little steps. But I'm going to sort of go out the front way now. Wow, look at this tree. Do you like trees? Says something about my personality, doesn't it? Yeah, look at the roots on that. See, a lot of them are unreadable completely. I love graveyards, absolutely love graveyards. See, I'm going to have to find out what this building is. It's got to be something to do with the church, hasn't it? Shame in it where they're just all come away. Look at the layers in it. I think you'd have to be rich to live here, to be honest. (1879), aged 83. Ooh. I feel terrible walking on them, but there's no option because it's the pathway. There are all the cottages again, guys. So this might be a long one, this, I don't know. Some really nice ones. 1802. So I did notice, I don't know if I've missed it, as we were walking up, there was like tombstones against somewhere, but it was over there somewhere. I mean, God, it's no hassle. I mean, I can come back again. You know what I mean? Mad. Absolutely mad. I'll just quickly go over here. Okay. I want to do a really big shout out to David Smith. Okay. He says the most nicest things. We love you, David. We love you lots. Love you lots, Warhorse and Braveheart too. I don't even know what that says. Doesn't that warning sign sort of spoil that door? You look at the old door, how it... You just walk in, that... Oh, there's the bells again. God, it's bad, isn't it, when you've got to do all that. Just for you guys. Right, I'm gonna do one more, I think, for you. So you know how much I love the Necrophonic, and you know how much I love you guys. But me and Becky, we've just... I don't know what it is, we're just going through a bit of a bad time, but we're getting there, do you know what I mean? Now, we should try this one, this very old one here, if I can. Right. Okay, here lieth the body. I'm just going to sit here a sec. I'm doing any harm, am I? But don't worry about us, guys, you know what I mean? I mean, Becky's done quite a few videos this week. So, good on her. And all the pains, her aches and pains she's getting out there for us all, eh? Right, let's give this a go. Jesus, hi, spirits. You sit with me? Sit here. What's your name, spirit? I'm here out of respect, by the way. I've just come to say hello. I've got to go, guys. Someone's coming down. Hi, spirits. Quick one. Damn it. Sorry guys, there's about 6 people with rucksacks on. Right, okay. As long as it's safe. Right, here we go again. We'll just do a quick one now. Sorry spirits, I had to stop. I'm back again. How are you, spirits? Could you tell me, can you tell me whereabout you are, spirits? Are you near me? How old are you, Spirit? Can you tell me your age? You asked for Becky before. What did you want to tell her? What did you want to tell Becky? Do you know what my name is? Did it say Jill? Jill. Like that, quick. What's my name? I'm sure it said it again, I'm not sure. I'll skip my headphones on to go home. Hi. How old are you, Spirit? What year was you born? What year was you born, Spirit? What year is it now? Do you know what year it is now, Spirit? Dead. Yeah, I know you're dead. Dead. Do you want me to tell you what year it is now? It's 2020. Did you know it was 2020? Same lot of dead words, isn't it? Okay, well, it's your last chance to say something, because I'm going to have to go now. Okay, bye, spirits. Bye-bye, spirits. God be with you. Okay, guys. Because it's so sort of busy, I don't want to chance anything, you know, and someone come at me, because I do want to come back here again. Like I said, it's not far away from me, so I have to give me a minute to get up. Oh, okay. Okay, again, you're not allowed to attach yourself to me, because I'm going to walk out this graveyard. No attachments whatsoever. Okay. What's that down there? Oh, look at that old door, guys. Oh, God. That's spooky, isn't it? Wow. Wow. Yeah. I'm going to see what's down here, I think. Let's see. I'm hoping I'm still recording. Oh, it's nice, isn't it? Oh, I don't know where I seen that. There's the pub again. But yeah, there we have it. It's beautiful, isn't it? Really nice. Not sure what's down there. And the stocks. You can't get any nicer than this, eh? That's a little walk. Actually, you get a good view down there, don't you? How nice is that? I've had to put the camera back again. Quite a lot of people out today. Considering. Don't really want to get them in. Now, oh my god, yeah, that's what I've seen it. That can't be a public footpath, surely. They have got gravestones there. Look. See if we can get closer. I mean, that's someone's house, isn't it? See? Unless they've just wanted it looking like that. I don't know. Who knows? Right. A lot of people on bicycles. This is really pretty. And yeah, you know, when you look at this looks like an old school. Look at that tree. Is that a tree? Oh no. Bush of some sort. Jasmine cottage. Jasmine then. Oh my god. This had to have been something, this. Look at it. It's like one whole building. Now why is that called Noah's Ark? They usually all have meanings, don't they? But how's about this for a cottage garden? Lavender. I'm sure they won't mind me smelling it. Oh, it's beautiful. But, oh god, it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. But yeah, it's hard to do sort of haunted ones until you get the history. And yeah, I was wrong. I should have got the history before I come, guys. But it's old. It's old. What can I say? You know? I mean, people think you just have to come at night to see sort of spirits, and it's not true. Do you know what I mean? You see many times, so there could be someone peering out that window now, spirit.
Yeah, we're on it, Sam, yeah. I mean, great. I mean, sorry.
Oh dear, someone's having a conversation, we can hear.
It broke up.
Right, again. Oh, there we go, we've got a date. This one, 1706. Wow, 1706. We're going downhill, guys, now. It's so lovely. But I can't walk on these friggin' cobblestones. No. Okay, so we're going back down to the Wish It Well. Yeah, but I hope all you guys are keeping well. You know, and happy. Oh, God. I have to get past this now. Ow! Bloody holly bush just got me. God's sake. Oh, got me arm. Oh. I'm hoping I've shouted everyone out because it's one of them things with me. I go sort of blank. I'm sorry about that. You know, I do my best for you, so I hope you've enjoyed it anyway. Gets us out, doesn't it? Just know that I love all of you, each and every one of you. Thank you for supporting Becky and myself. We'll get back to you real soon. Becky's got a fantastic series of videos coming out. We talked about it, so that should be cool. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell so you get every notification when we go live or when we put videos up. I love each and every one of you, and have a rest of a good day. Love you all. Bye.